Hi, today I'm for the Motorola Moto X40 and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with the X-Icon Changer app on this device. So first we should get the application from the Play Store, so open the Play Store app and in the search field enter the X-Icon Changer app. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. So after that we should open the app. That's why tap the open button. And here we'll see all of the available applications on your device. So let's just, for example, change the settings icon. To rename it, click on the settings icon. Here we will see the library with different folders with the icons. We could use them, or to change to use photo from your device gallery, or to take a picture right now in camera app. For example, let's use one from these available icons. Tap to OK on the right upper corner. Now we should wait a couple of seconds to skip the ads, the videos. Okay, click to this X icon and tap Add to home screen. So go to desktop to see the new settings icon or click to change next icon by the same way. So let's check, this is our new settings application icon. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.